Hi, I am Payal Mazumdar from Lexis and Company. Today we talk about anticipatory bail. What is anticipatory bail? Anticipatory bail is a direction to release a person on bail even before the person is arrested or pre-arrested bail. One can resort the section 438 only upon the existence of a reasonable belief that he may be arrested or an accusation of having committed a non-bailable offence. It is used when there is an order or direction that in the event of arrest a person shall be released on bail. It is only a arrest that order granting anticipatory bail becomes effective. In this, the apprehension of arrest should not be only at the hands of police, but it may be at the instance of the magistrate also. Section 438(1) confers power to grant anticipatory bail in case of non-bailable offences, so it is immaterial for the purpose of section 438 that whether the offence is cognizable or non-cognizable, or whether it is under the IPC or other law. There is no restriction on granting anticipatory bail in the case of alleged offence punishable with death or life imprisonment. There is no anticipatory bail after the arrest. After the arrest, or an accused can seek bail only under section 437 or 439 of the Code. When the High Court or Court of Sessions has not been passed any interim order under the section 438 and has rejected the application for grant of anticipatory bail, it shall be open to a officer in charge for a police station to arrest without warrant the application on the basis of accusation apprehended in any such application. Thank you all. If any of the doubts regarding this topic, please let me know in the comments.